The margins for brand new is very, very small.
Di kaya
What is
500.
Hindi kaya, walang ganun.
Walang ganun ba?
Walang ganun.
Patulong lang kasi working pa to eh. Bata pa to eh.
Buraot yun eh. Hindi, joke lang. What's up guys? Another watch, another day pare. Pleasure meeting you guys. Sige. Any occasion? Bakit?
Sa Chinese kasi meron kaming parang engagement. So they give his and hers na watch. Sa guy, they have to present yung sa girl, yung pang hers. And then sa girl naman, they have to buy something for the guy. Baka pagbabigyan tayo ng magandang price ni parang Hype dito, pwede niya sabihin sa future wife niya na dito na rin kunin.
Ginamit yung baraha. This one, 539. Usually we give it 530. Kasi brand new siya, mahirap hanapin. At the same time, the margins for brand new is very, very small. For this one, 539, I think the best I can do is 525.
Di kaya 500.
Hindi kaya, walang ganun.
Walang ganun ba?
Walang ganun.
Patulong lang kasi working pa to eh. Bata pa to eh. So still working. So
Really?
nag-ipunan niya
How
talaga
young?
yan.
29. Bata pa sa atin pare.
Oo.
Bibili na ng Rolex para.
Actually, yung friend ko, baka kilala mo rin.
Yeah.
Si Kerr.
Buraot yun eh. Hindi, joke lang.
Sabi ko nga, dapat doon ka na nagpatulong. Baka mas malaki mga discount eh. Hindi ka kailangan lang niya ng lakas ng loob pumunta kasi kaya sinamahan ko eh.
Let's do 520.
515 ka.
Mahirap brother sa 550. I think 520 is really the rock bottom na natin.
Baka kaya naman parang Hype.
I really appreciate, kaibigan ka ng kaibigan ko at the same time, you're doing this for your future. However, that's really low price from 540,000 almost 20,000 on a brand new unit na tagpa 500 lang is really big. It's a brand new unit kasi talaga if it wasn't a brand new unit I could give like at least kaya ko hanggang 30,000. Depends of course on their cost. But on this particular unit this is really nice.
Complete
31
naman yan, no? Box, papers,
everything pare. Everything. It's a 2025 unit. It's brand new.
Tapos may warranty pa sa Rolex. How many?
My warranty per Rolex for 5 years. Warranty pa nito. For us, we give also 1 year warranty.
Ikaw.
Okay naman.
Yeah. 520? Done. Thank you so much, brother. Salamat.
Thank you.
Pleasure having business with you guys.
Sabi daw niya yung hoodie daw niya. Ang kalimutan ah.
Of course naman. Sa'yo sa...
Sa akin.
Sa'yo na, no? Alright, sige. No problem. We'll wrap everything up lang. Are you paying through cash, credit card?
I'll issue a check.
Sige, no problem with that. Okay na. I gave it 520.
Say hi to your fans.
Wala, sikat ka na, Char. Sandil na naman. Kota na ako today. Pwede na ako umuwi.